Why can't, okay. That's an eel. That. Eel. And beautiful.
Okay.
Ooh, now everything's kind of yellow. Hello, Jennifer. It's a video.
Hi. I have a question about math.
Okay, shoot.
How do you complete the square? I know.
Bring it down.
You go like sh, and then you take half of the square and you shove it in, then you put it over there so it balances out.
Great explanation.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was out of class yesterday.
Let's see what Jennifer's talking about. Which problem?
I don't know any. My camera cares very much.
So we're going to film myself. Okay, so where what?
How do you complete? Like, what is completing the square?
Well, give me an example of the problem and I'll help.
Okay. I don't know what an eel is, let alone what the energy of
So
mass
you have to equal it to 0,
is.
and then
So
paper I can do
this isn't going to work.
Okay. So x squared.
Okay, I'm done.
And then you have to minus 64 on both sides. X squared plus.
When I'm 64, I can complete the square.
Okay. Okay, and so you have to.
I always do my
if you
physics
can't-
homework looking like
You know
this.
how if you want to factor it, well, you can't factor it with the 64. So what she's saying, if you can't factor it, then you put the 64 on the other side, and then you have to add a number to this side, but you have to add it to this side too to get it so you can factor to 16. So what's the number that you could like factor 16 with?
4, 2, 8, 0.
No, but you have to put it over here. Like if you wanted to factor this. Okay, I'm scared.
The spring below has a spring constant of 10 meters per meter. The box pulls 0.3 meters horizontally to the right and held motionless.
16 squared would be an example if I had.
What verse is
Okay, Maya, you need to shut up. Hold on. I'm a really bad picture, by the way. I'm sorry.
Sketch a force diagram
Especially when I
for
have
the
this thing beside me.
mass. As you hold the mass still, Leah, can I hold your mass still?
I'm really scared.
And assume a frictionless surface.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Whatever.
I really have no fucking idea. Why'd you make me film myself? Take the
Is it still going?
Hi.
Hi, Jennifer.